The Workever Asset Management module makes it easy to manage assets and equipment from the web or from the mobile app on the go. This video will show you how to view and use the asset list, how to add a new asset, and adding an asset to a job in Workever. Asset list. To get to the assets list, click Assets in the left-hand menu. You'll see a list of all your assets, as well as your asset statuses, which can be clicked for easy filtering. If you need more advanced filtering, you can use the Filters section to filter by a particular customer, date range, site, and much more. You also have a keyword search that can be used, which is handy when you want to search for a key piece of information. Adding a new asset. To add a new asset, you will need to click the Add Asset button. Then you can give your asset a name, assign an asset status, select a customer from the customer drop-down, select a specific site, and add any other asset details you need, such as asset category and warranty periods. You can also mark an asset as active or inactive by clicking the Active toggle button. If an asset is inactive, it cannot be added to a job or quote. Once you've saved your asset, you can go to the Files and Notes section to store any important files, notes, and images against this asset. This is handy for things like service manuals and asset pictures. Under the Asset History section, you can see a trail of key events, such as when the asset was created, when it was added to a job, and when it was added to a quote. When going to the Visit section, you can see all of the jobs that the asset has been assigned to. Adding an asset to a job. You can add an asset to a job in two ways. The first way is by going to the asset, and then clicking Create Job. This will automatically populate the customer and asset in the job, so that you only have to fill in the rest of the job's details. The second way is to add a new job from the Jobs section. Select a customer, and then select the site the asset is linked to. You can then go down to the Assets section, click Reactive Work for Assets, and then select your assets. Please note that once you've selected a site, you will only see assets linked to the site, or assets not linked to any site address. Once you've filled in the rest of your job details, you can click Save, and your asset will be added to the job. So now you've learnt how to view and use the asset list, how to add a new asset, and adding an asset to a job in Workever.